We've all been there, stuck in a cycle of procrastination, feeling guilty about not getting things done. But what if I told you that procrastination doesn't have to be the enemy? Today, we're talking about how to procrastinate efficiently. Yes, you heard that right. There's a way to put off tasks, but still make it productive. So if you're ready to turn procrastination into something useful, keep watching. First, let's redefine procrastination. Usually, we think of it as wasting time or avoiding responsibilities. But procrastination can actually serve a purpose if we use it wisely. When we procrastinate, our minds are often working in the background. This process can help us approach tasks with fresh ideas and new perspectives. So instead of seeing procrastination as a failure, think of it as an opportunity for creative incubation. One way to procrastinate efficiently is by setting productive breaks. Instead of scrolling aimlessly on social media, use your break to do something meaningful. You could read a few pages of a book, organize your workspace, or go for a short walk. These activities still give your brain a rest, but keep you in a productive mindset. Plus, taking intentional breaks can recharge your energy and improve your focus. So when you finally start working, you're more refreshed and ready to go. Next, let's talk about a technique called structured procrastination. This concept was coined by philosopher John Perry, and it's surprisingly effective. The idea is simple: when you're avoiding a major task, work on smaller tasks instead. For example, if you're avoiding a big project, use that time to clean your inbox or organize files. These smaller tasks may not be the main priority, but they still add value to your day. With structured procrastination, you're avoiding one task, but still getting things done. The Pomodoro technique is another great way to procrastinate efficiently. Set a timer for 25 minutes and focus on a single task without any distractions. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break to relax. Repeat this process and give yourself a longer break every 4 rounds. This technique helps you work in short, focused bursts and makes starting less overwhelming. Even if you're not in the mood to work, committing to just 25 minutes can make it easier. Yes, daydreaming can actually be productive. When you're putting off a task, use that time to let your mind wander in a focused way. Think about your goals, visualize the steps needed to achieve them, or brainstorm new ideas. This kind of daydreaming can help you gain clarity and motivation. In fact, some of the best ideas come to us when we're not actively working on them. So embrace daydreaming as a productive part of efficient procrastination. Another way to procrastinate productively is by learning something new. When you're avoiding work, use that time to explore a new skill or topic. It could be a short online course, a podcast, or a tutorial on something you're interested in. This not only takes your mind off the task at hand, but also adds to your personal growth. And when you return to your main work, you may feel more inspired and motivated. Learning can be a great way to procrastinate efficiently without feeling unproductive. Here's a tip that might sound a bit funny: set a deadline for your procrastination. Give yourself a specific amount of time to procrastinate before you start the actual task. For instance, if you're avoiding a project, allow yourself 15 minutes to do something else first. Knowing you have a limited time makes it easier to relax without guilt. And by the end of those 15 minutes, you'll likely feel more prepared to dive into your work. Setting a procrastination deadline helps you stay on track while still honoring the need for a break. So, to sum it up, procrastination doesn't have to be a waste of time. With techniques like productive breaks, structured procrastination, and the Pomodoro technique, you can turn procrastination into a useful part of your day. Remember, it's all about making mindful choices when you're avoiding a task. By procrastinating efficiently, you can get things done even if it's not the main thing you planned. So the next time you feel like putting something off, try one of these methods. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and happy procrastinating efficiently.